This is my good friend Louis. He's from New Hampshire. He's the one that basically got me into the C3 arena. He bought this back in '78. He dropped a rear end on it trying to do a second gear shift, and he parked it in the garage for, I don't know, good 25 years, 25 years. And it was an ongoing joke of if he's ever going to work on it. He said the time's not right, so family and life happens, and so he was able to get beyond that. Then in about 2008, he ended up taking it off the frame, doing a complete restoration off of it, all new suspension. He wanted to do an homage to the originals, so he's got original matching motor, numbers, and everything that goes with it, but he didn't want to necessarily put the old motor in here, so we put in a crate motor, and as you can see with some of the modifications, they're just quickly reversible, so if anybody ever wanted to get it back to original, he could. This is an L-88 clone. He wanted to, again, give it the look of it, but still not take away from what the car was existingly. So, big block car. It's rebuilt, the whole 9 yards. It was really done good. So, put the C8 seats in it. Wanted to get those in there for comfort, and yeah, we ended up picking up here at Carlisle, and we ended up modifying the rails and everything to get the seats in there. So, come out really nice. He's got the 5-speed, he's got the Tremec. He ended up getting one. He ended up getting 500 horsepower, so he ended up having to upgrade his transmission. So, car really goes.